So here we have a garlic that I must have left behind last year. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to dig it up. There it is. And I'm going to go ahead and divide this up. It's a pretty nice one, actually. I'm going to divide that up and replant it somewhere else. Okay, so we have two plants here that look very similar to each other. They both have flat leaves, they both have a bulb, they both have roots coming out of the bottom. These plants look very, very, very similar to each other. However, if you get this wrong, you're going to have a very, very bad day. So how do you tell the difference? What is it? Well, one of these is garlic and the other one is a daffodil. And basically all you got to do to tell the difference is you can take a piece of the leaf, scrunch it up a little bit, and smell it. Just smell it. This is garlic. This is a daffodil. It does not smell like garlic at all. They're very, very similar to each other, but only garlic smells like garlic. So I went and carefully rinsed the roots off a little bit, and now I'm going to separate these plants into individual plants. The reason I rinsed the roots off is I just didn't want to accidentally bring something to the new planting area that could be out front. That's the real reason. Did I have to? Not really. So the container contains compost, of course, and Miracle-Gro garbage soil, organic soil that I'm not really all that fond of, but that's what I had, so that's what I use. And the compost is a chicken compost I got at a local nursery. I'm just doing a quick inspection of the bulbs to make sure that they're going to be okay. Now when you plant, I try to get the roots as deep as I can, but I don't want to plant that bulb or stem too deep to minimize any possible rot. Now the container is a container that the local recycling company replaced. They got us new types of containers and left this behind, so I went ahead and drilled some drainage holes in the bottom of it so that it would drain well, and I'm going to go ahead and use it. Now these have been outside already for 10, 15 years, so they're UV safe. They're not going to break down in the sun and all that type of stuff. I feel pretty confident with these. I'm okay with it. And I went ahead and planted 11 garlic plants that I found out front that otherwise wouldn't have reached their maximum potential. Now I may use this garlic as green garlic, kind of like you would an onion or something like that, or like a green onion, I'm not sure. But this is all there really is to it. If you get something out of the video, like, share, and subscribe, and have a great day.